to any of these menus, and I guess a good example would be scheduler. If I wanted to schedule something else, if I click on default site, it's going to show me equipment that I can add schedules from and to. These are the names of the equipment out in the field. So exhaust fan 2 is just it's a little mini controller attached to that exhaust fan downstairs here. This is the main field panel that controls the whole building basically. So all of the field devices that for the DOAS and the fans and all of that are BACnet MSTP, and they attach to this modular controller over an MSTP trunk. This panel is IP based. So the Connect PXCM and this control point that's housing these graphics are both IP based panel, BACnet IP panels, and they communicate to each other. These are the 3 DOAS units. This is the name of the Corel controllers, and there's PCOnet is what they call that, and that's just the instance number, so that became the name of those controllers. So that's what you're seeing in those. There's also an exhaust fan 9 that's not pulling in right now, and you also have several VFDs that are attached to the system as well that are BACnet VFDs. So if you did want to do something with at the panel level, like let's say you did want to add a schedule, you would figure out which one you were trying to find the point in, and drill down till you got down to the level of the points that you needed to work with. So any of those, you're not going to schedule an input. You could schedule a binary output or binary value. It's usually what you would do. You're not generally going to schedule analog points. And I think it's only showing in here, now that I think about it, it's only showing the points in here that are currently scheduled is what it's doing. That's why we're not seeing the points show up. Let's go back to, let's see if it shows me the DOAS point schedule. It's a binary. No, it's a... Yeah, so what this screen is showing you is not how you get there to create the schedule. It's showing you, it's allowing you to drill down and see where the schedules reside. And currently the only place the schedules reside is in this panel. So if I click on that, go down, you'll see schedule collection view, and it lets you go, that's as far down as it lets you go. That's where the schedules are for everything. Because that's our main controller up in the penthouse. Everything's attached to it. We're going to put the schedules in that. If another schedule is created, then and what I may need to do is go into your account and see if we have features not enabled that will allow you to do things like create a schedule. That may be what's going on here, because it's not letting us pick the points. So we can get in there and see if that's what's going on. And then you'll be able to go in and modify, make a new schedule if you needed to. Right now you can modify existing schedules, but it's not giving us the option to create a new one.